I'm Paul from Intellisys, here to present to you the range of irrigation systems created for the joint energy and environment projects. Come with me. So here we have about 6 different irrigation systems that we created, each attending to different specific crop type and different characteristics and different water requirements. So my colleagues are going to show you what irrigation system we put here and what they will do. We have this. So we divided first of all this farm into blocks. So we have this block being served by this independent irrigation system. We have another block down there that has 2 different irrigation systems. We have a block here down there that has a different and another one, and we also have some smaller blocks here that operate on smaller irrigation systems that are also preferable for modern or urban gardens. So I'm going to invite my colleagues to be able to show you around the magnificent work that we have done. So over to you. This is the laser spray irrigation system. It combines the laser technology and the spray mechanism to distribute water on the field. It operates on a pressure of 2 to 4 bars, and it is suitable for crops like vegetables. Those are carrots, cabbages, and it is also suitable for cereals and sugarcane and other crops. This system was designed with a spacing of 3 meters, and it comes in different shapes and sizes. For example, this is a 20mm pipe for the lateral, and it has a weight diameter of 1. For this particular lateral, it has a weight diameter of 1 to 6 meters. But there are also different designs that can go up to 30 meters. Our new system of irrigation, we call it drip line irrigation, specifically the inline drip system. Here is our control valve when you're controlling the flow of the emitters. This is our control valve. To take you here all, we have the drip irrigation system, but we have a full version. Specifically, I will handle the inline drip irrigation system. Here we have our laterals. The laterals are spaced at a distance of 30 centimeters. And our emitter spacing is 40 centimeters, and it is black in color because to minimize the growth of algae. You know, algae, when algae grows in these laterals, the emitters or the drippers will get blocked. So it is black, that's the reason, and also to minimize the UV irradiation. Our operating pressure always ranges from 0.5 to 3 bars. That is 5 meters to 30 meters of operating pressure. Our working diameter is between 16 to around 32 millimeters. Then the ranges always vary from manufacturers, especially the emitter spacing, because we have a range of 12 inches to 36 inches. That's around 1 feet to 3 feet diameter spacing. The crops grown using our inline drip irrigation system are mostly vegetables. This is because the drip is a way of precisely applying water to the crop direct to the root zone. So here you are assured of you are utilizing the water since the crop is planted directly to the dripper or the emitter. Thank you so much. So let me hand you over to our next type of drip irrigation. Next to you, Fred. So thank you so much, my colleague, for picking up the inline emitters as one of the types of irrigation systems that we are installing at drip. And the next one that I will be talking to my colleagues here is the online emitter or online drip system, where we use the button emitter. And the button emitter we have here, these red ones that are adjustable. turn it like this, and when you turn it the anti-clockwise way, it turns on, meaning it has different discharges that you set to depending on the crop. The online emitter is so much good when it comes to crops like trees, people that have coffee, people that have bananas, people that have people have cassava people. What we do is we just install this tube here, we pass it because it's the flexible enough, pass it around the garden, and we only put this emitter where the plant is. You see, the moment we pierce this emitter where the plant, all you do is to turn it this way and you will have water. Now the water is metered according to the engineer's design to make sure that the crop is given actually the real amount of water that it requires within a specific time. Meaning you can only measure this by how long we are going to open the valve for the crop to receive this amount of water. It is a very good system that people can actually use in a very water effective way. Okay, thank you.
The type of sprinkler which is specialized, which is a pressure from the pump or even from the tank. Yes, but it sprays like rain. As you can see, it has a razor which is 1 meter high to enable the water to sprinkle every part of the field. So this razor is 25 millimeters, and this sprinkler rotates 360 degrees so that it can cover all parts of the field. Yes. And the sprayer operates at 3 meters back to enable all crops to receive the same amount of water. As you can see, we set the sprinklers at 7 meters to enable that overlap. That's when the other is irrigating, even these crops in the middle here, take enough to grow. So this type of irrigation helps them because you have few materials that you input compared to the drip side where you have a lot of height. So this is better for crops like lettuce, beans, soya beans. You can also use it for coffee, sugarcane. Yeah, it works well for all those types of crops. It is also cost efficient. Yes, and it doesn't need a lot of labor to operate because it's automatic. So it takes 360 for efficient irrigation. Yes, if you are just instructing what to do, you can regulate your pressures according to maybe the growing stage of your crop or even what you want. So here we reduce the pressure, and so little water comes out. So you can regulate the according to what you do. Get the feel of the irrigation. Yeah. Over to you, Mr. Okot.
With this here is a micro sprinkler named the irrigation sprayer, which operates at a head between 15 liters to 30 liters. So the irrigation sprayer has a discharge of about 54 liters per hour. So they vary in terms of the colors that they are distributed with. The one that we have here is having a green color. So this color code tells us that this is operating at 54 liters per hour. Whereas the other color codes that exist are the red, the green, and also the blue. So the spacing for this particular one, the spacing is 1.5 meters, and this is from this to here. So for the other green, for the other blue, red, irrigation sprayers, their spacings are also 1.5 meters. Now depending on the pressures that they're operating at, you can vary this spacing and then suit what you're interested in planting. So for the crop that we are mostly interested in planting here, They could be vegetables, which are probably lettuce, cabbages, onions. We also have orchards, which are specifically avocados, coffee, and all the other kinds of stuff. Thank you very much.
So as my irrigation engineers have shown you, those are a few of the types of irrigation systems we have available. And these ones, we install them on just one side. It goes to show you how many different types of irrigation systems are actually applicable to make agriculture profitable for both small scale, medium scale, but also large scale farmers. But emphasis more is now the small scale farmers. So all these are the types of irrigation systems that might be applicable to a wide variety of crops and water application requirements. So we call upon the public to adopt irrigation as a way to offset the climate and weather conditions that are currently available in order to maintain agricultural productivity. Thank you so much, Intellisis. Inventing tomorrow.